Welcome to FX Street. Today we're going to talk about Algorand, but before we deep dive into the technicals, I'd like to encourage you to head over to our YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button, and then head on over to the Twitter and follow our FX Street crypto account with FX at FXS Crypto. Taking a look here at Algorand, which has been beaten down, pretty heavily over the last few days, and it's had a nice recovery since the lows it found in January 22nd, but the recovery's been kind of muted and underperforming when you relate it to some of its peers and the rest of the cryptocurrency asset classes. So the resistance that it's really struggling to cross above and remain above is at 103. That's where the 618 Fibonacci retracement is at. But on the positive side, it is holding the daily Tenkan-sen as support. And even though the daily chart is very much signaling, okay, this is all a bearish continuation setup. You have the RSI sitting in the RSI is in bear market conditions, but it's really sitting in neutral territory right now. You have the composite index coming down off of a very high peak, looking like it wants to cross below its fast average, and you have the optics bands trending. They're not overbought yet, but they are trending higher, and it is getting into could be entering into those extreme overbought conditions. However, on the weekly chart, it's a little bit of a different story. Algorand created, I think this was the low that was found on the weekly chart for the week of February 4th was the lowest composite index reading since October of 2019. So that's a pretty deep low. Very nice bullish reversal candlestick in that last week of January. And we are currently above Senko Span B on the Ichimoku chart, which is a very, very kind of a necessary condition to prevent further downside movement. The optics bands are in their extreme lows. The RSI is in a bull market. I don't have it set up here on that right now, but it is holding the final oversold condition of 40 as support. So Algorand looks really good for some continued movement higher. And there's several long opportunities on the point and figure chart. The most conservative one is on the 10-cent 3-box reversal with a buy stop at 130, a stop down at 90 cents, and a target up at 240. The more aggressive entry is on the 5-cent 3-box reversal chart. That would be going long. That would be a buy stop order at 110, stop down at 90 cents, and a profit target up at 170. However, the bear market angle here will more than likely act as an area of resistance. So expect to see a little bit of selling pressure, likely around that psychological number of 150. But otherwise, that's what I see here on Algorand. Thank you for everyone for watching. Please don't forget to head on over to our YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button, and follow us on Twitter.